If you are on the search for your next aggressive tire that is built specifically to tackle those soft, medium conditions, then the Megabite from Tusk is what you need. Hello everyone, and thank you for checking in. We are excited today to show you the new Megabite tire from Tusk. This thing is built specifically for soft and medium conditions. A lot of you out there are familiar with our Terabyte tire, which has been incredibly popular ever since it first came out, and we have had amazing customer feedback with the Terabyte. So what we did is we took all that knowledge, all the experience that we had with that tire, and we used that to build the more aggressive Megabite. When we were building this, we wanted to build a really good all-around aggressive looking tire that does especially well in soft, medium conditions, and we are very happy with the way this turned out. So first thing to talk about is going to be the tread design. So when you look at the tread design, and what makes this so good in those soft, medium conditions is the aggressive lugs that are 3/4 of an inch tall. But when you look at the Megabite, you'll notice that the lugs are more spread out. And the purpose for that and why that's so important, especially with today's high horsepower machines, if you have a tread pattern that's too close together, you tend to just spin and break loose and not get that bite and that forward drive. And having that spread out lug design, just like with acceleration, it also helps give predictable braking as well. Another great benefit to that more spread out lug design is self-cleaning. If you are going to be using this, say, some muddy conditions, that's going to help prevent that mud from packing in, so you maintain that traction and performance when you're out there having a good time. You'll also notice too on the sidewall that you've got these lugs here. So that way if you find yourself in a rut, maybe doing some rock crawling, you've got some good biting edges on the sidewall of the tire as well. Now as far as the carcass and the profile, you'll notice when you look at the Megabite that it has a more rounded profile, and that was done by design. We did that to have good predictive steering and handling, and also we didn't want the tire to kind of hunt and grab like some tires that have a square profile tend to do. So very happy with how that turned out. Now as far as the tread compound goes, we have a proven compound that gives an awesome blend of performance as well as longevity. And also what's nice too about this tread, this compound, is that it still grips well on hard surfaces. In fact, there's a lot of riders that prefer a more spread out lug design with a good tread compound, even for rock crawling. Because when you have a good grippy rubber and that spread out lug, what they say is that it makes it easier to get those biting edges to the hard surface to give you good traction. So even good for some rock crawling. Now, a few other things to note, you've got an 8-ply rated radial construction that rides nice and smooth. We've done a lot of testing, so it still gives a right amount of flex even for the larger machines. A size 30 by 10/15 comes in at 36 pounds. And the one thing you want to keep in mind with the Megabite is that it's not going to be a DOT compliant. But aside from that, again, if you're looking for a good-looking, aggressive, all-around tire that is built specifically for soft, medium conditions, then you definitely want to check out the Megabite. If you do have questions or comments, we would love to get those answered for you, so make sure to leave those below. And while you're checking out the Megabite and all the other great tires that we offer, do yourself a favor and take advantage of the tire and wheel package builder that we have. With that, you can select the tires and the wheels that you want, and we will actually mount them up and give you free shipping. So it's an awesome way to save some money and take that route. All orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, you want to see more just like it, get subscribed to our Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you're always notified as the latest and greatest videos are always coming out. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.